Okay. Yeah, good afternoon, guys. We're off to somewhere to get us something to eat because we're sick of having toast and I thought there was some
Toasties.
toast and
Coco
wheat
Samoa.
bix. Why yeah, that piece of makeup for a video they can find. Yeah, okay. So we gotta go have something to eat at the shopping centre and then get out of this heat and enjoy the air condition. Free air condition, guys. We turn off ours, save our power, go to the shopping mall and use theirs. Gee, I'm clever. Jeez.
Hi everybody, I'm the sister of Favourites. I've moved from Melbourne to Sydney and I'm filming my mum at the moment while we're out having lunch. Maria, say hi.
Hi.
Say hi everyone.
Hi, Raymond.
everyone.
Hi, everyone.
Well anyway, we're just waiting for Faye to get our lunch. I don't know what we're having. We're thinking of having soup for the day. So anyway, it's actually good how a lot of Polynesians are doing this mukbang food. You know, it's good to give a bit of exposure about our culture, our tradition, and the foods that we love to eat in the islands. Although it's pretty heavy, but that's just us without having island food. You know, who are we? You know, that's just the way we are, big, whatever. But I think it's good for, you know, a bit of exposure to different other cultures that love to eat Polynesian food. And yeah, but anyway, it's pretty hot here in Sydney compared to Melbourne weather. I don't know how hot it is, but yeah. But anyway, it was nice saying hi to all my sister's fans. If a shout out to all the rest of you fans out there. I mean, you know, keep on tuning in. I know my sister has a sense of humour. I think that just comes, that's just the way us sisters are. You know, we're pretty much down to earth and easygoing. And if you want to, you know, stop by and check out her channel, then yeah, tune in every day for updates, alright? Say bye mama. Say fa younger fans. Fa soifua. Manuele aso. Okay, bye everybody.
Right. Look guys, this is my loaded chips. It has garlic sauce on top and hummus. Loaded chips. My mom, she finished her food already. There she goes. She just finished her interview with my sister. Now it's time to eat. Yeah. Is your bottle on the way? Yeah, my bottle's giving it a headache. Anyway guys, here's my loaded fries. I already said my prayer guys, and I had something to eat already. And I thought, hey, I'm not sure with my viewers. That's for you guys. Chips, kebab meat, and chicken with hummus sauce and garlic. I always buy the same thing. I should try other sauces. My kids, they do barbecue, sweet chili, and garlic. This is mine guys. So the chips are really nice and fresh. Right? Good for me. Anyway, I put my cake in the water. Yeah. I love drinking my cake in the water because I want to stay, you know, like healthy. But anyway, let me lift up my food. So nice. I'm on some garlic. That's always my choice. Did you put cheese on it? Yeah, I wanted thin chips, but you don't put chips in these. I don't think they got thin chips.
Oh, they're not eating?
No,
Oh.
they're the same. Thin chips is their Macca's. It's nice. This is called a snack pack. Where you buy your kebab. Doner kebab. I remember when I first ate this in 1985 when I first came to Australia for a visit. Oh, wow. It was so nice. The celebs made it and they put their own magic touch to the flavour, I guess. I don't know what that baby is. That's lovely. I would love this. Oh yeah, and here's what I also got. Yeah. I think it's called balaclava or something. Balaclava. What's it called, sis? You know what's it called? You've never seen it before?
Yes, what is it?
It's called, guys, comment down below what it's called. I don't know, I just say, oh, can I have some of that? It's the thin pastry and it's got nuts and the rose water, sugar water. It's beautiful. I love drinking sour tea and eating these. Look how lovely they look. Beautiful. Hey, where's my thumbnail? Hey, thumbnail. It's my thumbnail, guys. So, don't nothing. Anyway, I can't wait to have it. I always have a sour tea. Yep. But anyway, get back to my lunch. Guys, what have you got to eat? Hope you guys are eating something. If not, yeah, let's go buy. See? Sharing is caring. Yang ada apa hujan ya? Kita looking up. Kita pangan sama the floor. Looks good.
Okay. It's lovely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got 48. Yeah, I've been Malcolina. Yeah, I got the meat and chicken. This was just the mix. It isn't good, I love it. Oh my God.
Yeah.
She's not gonna stop.
Yeah.
Lekker even in mijn houden even, ik probeer de clean aan. Chia Chinese. So good, man. Nice because what? If you had this, what sauce would you put on?
I put sweet chili sauce, barbecue sauce, mayonnaise,
Mayonnaise.
yeah,
Ugh.
and that's Mark's favorite. Because he did it. And all sorts of sauce. Garlic sauce.
Don't lie. Stop making it up as you go.
And samoa sauce.
I have pepper sauce.
What's it? Samoa sauce again?
Pepper sauce.
Yeah, they got that samoa sauce. What's it called again?
Saucy poo.
What's? No, that's.
So when should we go visit her today? I want to go visit her.
Should be
No. Mm. Because her mother can't climb up the sticks anymore. Have you been there before? Oh. Right. I'll see you later, alligator. Okay. We're gonna go shopping after. Okay. Do you still want to go window shopping? I'm gonna go shopping. Well, this is nice. Do you guys eat this?
filling, eh?
Yeah. My sister got a picture of that. Yeah. See, look, she wants to show you. Look how she just rudely. She's rude. Rude guy. How about rice? I feel that way. And butter. We're in Woolworth now, guys. Mama. She's pushing the trolley there. And we're gonna go buy something for our dinner. You know what we're gonna have? Like a PC but in mince. Okay, that's what we're having. Like a PC and mince. Look at my double chin. Gosh, don't look at my double chin. Oh, yeah, I need bread. I just don't get bread. Okay. Okay. I normally like the big tip-top bread. Oh, this bread must be nice, Sicily. Oh, a lot of kids crying. Fine. Oh, this would be nice. What is it? Is it brown bread? Is it white bread inside? Yes. That'll be really tasty with the grain. Sesame. Yeah, the color? Ele era cabeça bem letras. It is a cabeça letras. Yeah, we just get what. It's up to you what you're gonna do. So, it's a piece of cassava. You're fine. What did she say?
She said that she was getting the 2 halves because that one's 10 and you get 2 halves for $1.80.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Oh.
These two? Or that?
Yeah, get the 2 halves like that lady said. Yeah. They find that for flight mints. They can all cook a flight mints. I don't know why. Nah, we have to go and get the bins. I'm just laughing at her answer. Yeah, let's get some cheese. Yeah. You know what we forgot? What's this? Yeah. You know what we've got? Tomatoes. I have to go and get a smaller bread for the toasties. Someone said they're sick of toasties. Who was it that said? Myra. She said they're sick of toasties. And yet we just went and got the toaster maker. Oh, it'll be over there. I can see it from here. Sis, over there on the other side. I could be lying, but yeah. Look over there. I'll just go and get a bread. Where is the bread? Where is the bread? I'll just go look for the bread. Oh, wow. Where's the bread? Should be. Excuse me, where's the bread?
We're all free.
Okay, thank you. Aisle 3. Oh, aisle 3 is just over there. See, I don't normally shop, you guys. That's why I don't know. But Plumpton one? Yeah, I know that one. Aisle 3. Here we go. Get us a bread. I want to get bread for the toasty, you know? So it's always good to get the little bread, the dollar bread. $1.30. Used to be $1, but now they're $1.30. Still cheap. Still cheap. Yeah, one of those enough. I should get 2. Where are they? Yeah, so I feel like having this tomato. I don't even have tomatoes. Okay, hang on. I'll just go and get mine. Okay, I'm lost. I'm a lostie, guys. I am a lostie. I am. Honey ham. No, I don't want. Oh, yeah, leg of ham. Yeah. Let's go kilo. Yeah, man. Yeah. Now I've got to go get the tomatoes. If I can get me a bag of tomatoes, that'll be good. Over there. I'm glad you guys are coming along with me shopping. Okay, wait. No. Where's our other bag of tomatoes? Okay, never mind. I'll just get either too small. Yep, tomatoes. Now. Okay, where's my sister? She doesn't like to be on the film, guys, so I always try and, you know, avoid and not put it on film. Oh, yeah. Get this from my daughter. They love this stuff. Chicken finger. Ay, ay, ay. Yeah. Oh, my bread is all. Yeah. Now we can go and just get a milk. Full cream milk. This is the milk that I always get. Farmer's Own. It's to help. No. It's to help the farmers. Farmer's Own, reduce fat. Silly, eh? I don't want to reduce fat, thank you. You know. Yeah, this one. I always get this one because it's to help the local farmers. That's their milk. They came on Current Affairs and they asked if we can support them, you know. And that's why ever since then I've always bought there. Yeah, the farmer's best. So guys, if you're in Australia, I know it's a little bit expensive, a little bit more expensive, but it's always good to, like try and help our local farmers, and that's why we get Farmer's Best milk. to show support. Yeah, I'm getting this red cordial because my kids like cordial. Now that it's getting warm, they'll be wanting to drink more. Okay. You know what I like? I like home brand ginger biscuit because they're thin and they're not solid rock like the New Zealand one. You know, you could lose a tooth sometimes. You know, but this one is my favorite. I used to love this. You know that orange filled one? I used to like lick all yeah, what am I trying to say? Far out. My kids love this, so I'll get two and give it to the well-behaved ones. Yeah, the naughty ones, nah. Oriana. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Oh, yeah, my dear? Yeah. Red cup, red cup pasta. Yes, an extra mile. Huh? I asked the chips, lolly. Yeah, how come, mate? Please. How's the day going? Ah. These flowers. What's the date today? Tuesday. They usually change the flowers on a Thursday. So if you want a nice bunch of flowers, you come on a Thursday. So tomorrow they'll probably come and take all this away. But they shouldn't take these away. It still hasn't opened up. Very beautiful. And they smell nice. If you want to play somewhere with me, call my mom. She wants a job. So shopping is done, guys. We're off home now. to the village to shop because it's nice and quiet. As you guys can see, it's peaceful. And this is where you can get your jewelry, lovely gear, lovely stuff. And my mom trying to crash into people, she's pushing the trolley. Okay guys. Yeah, see that girl modeling there? Yeah. They called me, but I was busy, so I couldn't be the model on that day. Anyway, time to go home. Going out to the heat, and you know Australia heat is pew. Say bye. Say fa.
Fa soi fua.
Yang ana ya angari fa yakwa. Seo oi fa ya la kala. Nah. See you guys. My mom gets cheeky sometimes.
Oh my
Fa soi
gosh,
fua.
it's hot.